Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dream Germany. In this lesson you will learn numbers in German from 21 to 100 and their pronunciation. If you want to learn numbers from 0 to 20, you can visit my channel and watch Lesson 3 and Lesson 4. So let's begin. Lektion 19. Noch einmal. Lektion 19. Zahlen. Noch einmal. Zahlen. In German, numbers from 21 to 100 are formed by combining the ones digit with a tens digit, using the word und as a connector. The ones digit is stated first, followed by und, then the tens digit. For example, 21 is 21. Difference between English. In German, numbers 21 to 99 are formed by saying the ones digit, then und, and finally the tens digit, while in English it's the opposite. For example, 21 in German and 21 in English. The tens digits also differ slightly. For example, 20 is 20 and 30 is 30. Ein Plus und plus 20. 21. Zwei plus und plus 20. 22. 3 plus und plus 20. 23. 4 plus und plus 20. 24. 5 plus und plus 20. 25. 6 plus und plus 20. 26. 7 plus und plus 20. 27. 8 plus und plus 20. 28. 9 plus und plus 20. 29. 'The multiples of 10 are formed by adding sich to the root of the corresponding number. 30. Now just like 21 to 29 the numbers go on from 31 to 39. 32, 33, and so on. 40. For the numbers 41 to 49 follows the same pattern as 21 to 29. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 'And the last one is 100. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.